Hello, good morning kids. Welcome back in our ENV class. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 9, Housing and Clothing. In this chapter you will learn about need for a house, rooms in a house, need for clothes and types of clothes. What is it? Yes, it is a house. We all live in house. A house is a place where we stay with our family. A house may be big or small. A house has to be strong and airy. We need a house to live in. Why? Because a house gives us shelter. A house protects us from the hot sun, the cold, the wind and the rain. A house also keeps us safe from wild animals and thieves. Wild animal means animals that live in forest are called wild animals such as lion, tiger, wolf, cheetah, etc. Why should we keep our house clean? Because we fall ill if our house is dirty. House has to be kept clean both from the inside as well as from the outside. So we should keep our house clean by dusting the rooms and mopping the floors daily. Rooms in a house. There are many rooms in our house. Study room, bathroom, bedroom, living room, dining room and kitchen. A study room can have your study table, books, computer, etc. And you can study in your study room without disturb. Now first one is living room. This is living room. It's also called as hall. Living room has TV, furniture, sofa. We welcome our guests and look after them in living room. Now second one is bedroom. This is bedroom. Here we have our bed. We rest and sleep in the bedroom. This one is dining room. We have our food on the dining table and we sit in the dining room and have our food with our family. This one is kitchen. We have various utensils in the kitchen. We prepare our food in the kitchen. This one is bathroom. We brush our teeth and take a bath in the bathroom. There are so many things in our bathroom. Bucket, soap, towel, shower, tap, etc. Need for clothes. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from the heat, the cold, the wind and the rain. Do we wear same type of clothes throughout of year? No. We wear different clothes at different occasions and in different seasons. There are major 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. So we should choose our clothes according to season. Look at this picture. Can you guess which season it is? Yes, it is summer season. In summer season, the weather is very hot and we feel hot. So, In summer season, we wear light color cotton clothes. Cotton clothes like frock, shirt, skirt, etc. All these clothes means cotton clothes keep our bodies cool. Clothes made of cotton are called cotton clothes. We get cotton from the cotton plant. In this picture you can see that this is cotton plant. We get cotton from this cotton plant and we can make so many types of cotton clothes from this cotton. Now again, which season it is? Yes, it is winter. It is very cold in winter. So we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Clothes made of wool are called woolen clothes like sweater, muffler, gloves, socks, etc. Woolen clothes keep our bodies warm. We put on shoes and socks to protect our feet. We get wool mainly from sheep. We get wool also from rabbit and camel. We can make so many types of woolen clothes from the wool, and that wool we get from the sheep. Which season it is? Yes, it is rainy season. We do not want to get wet when it rains, so we wear raincoats over our clothes. We also use an umbrella. This helps us to stay dry. We should always wear clean, comfortable and well ironed clothes. So students, here our chapter is over. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.